This is part 2 of the Little Drummer Boy. I'm still using my C major scale, so I'm starting my middle finger on the 1, 2, 3, 3rd fret of the A string. That's going to be my home bass. Now, for this second part, the first note is actually my pinky note up here on the 5th fret. But as long as I'm keeping my fingers within my 4 fret structure here, meaning each finger gets 1 fret, just like that, then it'll be really easy to keep track of where my fingers go. So my first note is right here on the pinky. And I play it twice. Da, 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 da. So I'll play that again. Start here on the pinky twice, and then I go up to this next note on the 2nd fret, and I skip all these other notes, go straight up to the pinky. Da, 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 da. Oops. Now if you're paying attention, and I talk about using the scale a lot, you'll notice that we played a note, this one right here, that's not actually in the scale. And that's good to be aware of. And that's okay, because for this particular song we have a note that's not in the scale. So again, the second part starts with this. So from here, which is the, let's see, E, A, D, G string, starting on the middle finger, and we're going to go down, just like that. Okay, so we've started here. So basically what I'm doing is I'm working my way down the scale, and I know it looks like we're going up, so it kind of sounds confusing because my fingers are going up the guitar, but we're actually going down the scale. And then I start it again, but this time I'm starting on the next note down. And now I'm going to start on the next note down. So I'm back where I started. I started here, went dun, 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 dun. And then it starts over. So it's basically 3 parts. It starts with this part. It does that twice. And then the second part, which we just learned, sorry, so it's then it starts back in our first part. Alright, so that should be pretty good to work on.